Hi, today I'm modeling chandelier in 3ds Max, and today I wanted to show to you how to subdivide edges in 3ds Max, because it can be confusing when you use application Blender, because you do differently in Blender. Unfortunately, in 3ds Max, it doesn't look the same. Because we have edges, subdivide, but unfortunately, in 3ds Max, it works in different way. I'm using version 5.1.0 alpha, but you can still subdivide edges. I create model of the chandelier, so I connect the top polygon with that one. And what I there is work around if you wonder how I will connect those points here. So you can still select edge, insert the vertex, because insert the vertex also applies to polygon but to edges as well. But if you want to weld polygons, you can use you have to have open polygon. There shouldn't be face inside the polygon. Okay, target weld. I use the keyboard shortcuts. I think I added unnecessary extra edges. Okay, you can insert the vertex. At first, I wasn't sure if this works for polygons, but insert the vertex works for edges as well. I just think how to connect together. I think we need 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to subdivide this. If I wasn't sure, if you have too many points, you can hold the control and remove. I have to use option slide vertices, so you go to edit geometry, we use edge. So you can slide vertices. It will be easier for you to manipulate. None, so we can slightly move. The only thing which I don't like, I think I made a horrible mistake. One of the horrible mistakes in 3ds Max. I just have to use a tool. Well, I think I was okay to subdivide like that. I think I added extra edge too much, but we still have to edit geometry. I think zoom works too quick. Okay, let's try to let's check this. I think I must remove this edge. You hold the control, so at the same time we will remove extra vertex, and I have to cut by using knife. You can select occluded, so you can select invisible polygons, control, and now I connected this. I just have to cut this polygon once more. This is definitely, we definitely do not want this. And vacuum M, wonderful, amazing. We have beautiful connection of our chandelier. This was originally, this was loft object, but I converted it to polygon. I hope you like my video tutorial. Don't forget to switch to none. In my older video tutorial I published how to properly use knife tool. I have to go to sleep because I'm waking up early to work to college.